Hello students, in today's class I will explain some more concepts based on that Young's double slit experiment or interference. So write down missing wavelengths. Missing wavelengths in front of one of the slits. Here, to understand this concept, let us consider these are the two slits S1 and S2, and this is the screen. So one in front of one of the slit means exactly I am considering that point is opposite to S1. So somewhere here we are considering point P, right? That point now I am considering exactly in front of one of the slit. Then the waves will travel and reaches point P. From S2 also the wave will travel and reaches point P. Then here what is meant by this missing wavelength? Suppose if light consists of more wavelengths. Up to now you have studied monochromatic light, that means single wavelength. So if you consider like white light, it consists of so many number of wavelengths. In that time, so in front of a slit, some wavelengths forms dark fringes. So those wavelengths, light we will call it as missing wavelengths. That is, those wavelengths will forms the dark fringe at point P. We will see the condition, that means the wavelengths. The condition for dark fringe is, that is path difference delta x should be equals to, you know that 2n minus 1 lambda by 2. This is the path difference, right? And this distance, you know that is small d. This is a perpendicular bisector or central axis. Then the point P we are taken at a distance x. Then from the diagram that x distance will be equals to d by 2, and the position of, that means x formula also you know here, the position of dark or bright fringes, x equals, for dark, this is the path difference, means the x value is 2n minus 1 lambda by lambda capital D divided by 2 into small d, isn't it? Then if you substitute the value of x, then you will get d by 2 2n minus 1 lambda capital D divided by 2d, and this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So finally the lambda expression you will get 2n minus 1, lambda expression you will get d square divided by 2n minus 1 into capital D. So if you substitute the values of 1, 2 like that, the values are in the place of n, you will get the corresponding wavelength lambda, that is by substituting 1 d square by capital D. Next, if you substitute 2, d square by 3d, d square by 5d, so on. In this way you will get these wavelengths will form dark fringe at point P. So those wavelengths are called as missing wavelengths. Then which wavelengths will form a bright fringe at point P? So this is the condition for dark fringes. dark fringes. If we see bright fringe at P means again same, substituting the condition for bright fringe, x equals n lambda capital D divided by small d. This is the expression for bright fringe, right? Then d by 2 is equals to n lambda capital D divided by small d. It becomes d square by 2 is equals to, or directly the expression for lambda I will write, lambda is equals to d square by 2nd. Then lambda is equals to d square by, if you substitute 1, then it will becomes 2d. Then d square by 4d, d square by 6d. In this way you will get the wavelength for bright fringe. These are the missing wavelengths. So I hope you understood this concept. So after understanding this concept, next application. The next application, these are the two slits and this is the screen, and here you came to know that at this point path difference 0, central maxima, central bright fringe, and also you know that all bright fringe intensity are same, and width also same, dark fringe intensity is 0. And what is the maximum intensity means? The maximum intensity value, you know that 4a square if amplitudes of the waves are same, a1 and a2. And the question is, if you close one of the slit, then what is the maximum intensity? So let us take I dash maximum. This is the condition after closing one of the slit. Then normally you know that I maximum formula a1 plus a2 whole square. So one of the slit is closed means either you can consider one amplitude becomes 0, a1 you can consider as 0, a2 as a. Then you will get the answer. If it is 0, a2 as a, then you will get a square. This is what I dash maximum. Then what the relation means here? Definitely you will get the relation I dash maximum is equals to I maximum by 4. The intensity will reduce by 4 times. So here note down, if one of the slit is closed, then if one of the slit is closed, then the intensity maximum value becomes so I max by 4, 1 by 4th time of its initial value. And then let us write next condition. If we use white light in YDSC, Young's double slit experiment, then what happens? So if we use a red color light, the fringes will appear as red. So any other color light, single wavelength, that color fringes you will observe. But if we use white light, then what happens means, so this is the central maxima, So white light consists of so many wavelengths. In that, let us consider violet color light wavelength. Violet color light wavelength, that is approximately, let us consider as 400 nanometer, and wavelength of red color, so this is approximately 750 to 780 range it will come. Let us consider, for example, 800 nanometer. Then from this we can able to say that wavelength of red color is equals to 2 times the wavelength of violet, isn't it? Or wavelength of violet is equals to half of the wavelength of red. So here all wavelengths will passes through the slit, and for all the wavelengths, so this point is equidistant point. Hence for all the wavelengths there will be no path difference become 0. So path difference becomes 0 means definitely for all the color of light forms bright fringe, mixture of all color. Again you will observe white, bright fringe. This is at the center. You will observe white bright fringe. And next, so if we move in this direction, definitely path difference will introduce. And you know that lambda by 2 is the path condition, path difference condition for first dark band. So two waves are traveling, and between two waves the wavelength, that path difference is lambda by 2 means definitely their dark fringe will form, isn't it? That means here out of red color light and violet color light, the least wavelength is having violet, right? So for that first dark fringe will form. So as you go in this direction, first you will get the dark fringe where the path difference become lambda by 2. So from here also violet light is coming, from here also violet light is coming. At this point what happens means, due to the path difference is lambda by 2, dark fringe of violet color light will form. That means violet color will absent, it will miss. Then if at this point, that is lambda violet by 2, at this point it is absent means red color will dominate. So as above white bright fringe, what you will observe means reddish color fringe you will observe. After this point, if you go above, somewhere you will get this point as the path difference for red color light, its wavelength is more right. So first you will get path difference lambda by 2 distance for violet, next you will get that distance, that will be path difference lambda by 2 for red color. Then at this point, suppose here also two waves will come, here also two waves will come. At this point this red color will interfere destructively, path difference is lambda by 2. So what happens, red color will miss, but at this point it is not the dark fringe point for other colors. Why? Because you came to know that if it is a dark fringe for red, the point is bright fringe for violet. Why? Because violet color light is 2 times greater than red color light. So next you will get after white fringe red color fringe, next you will get violet, means somewhat you will get blue color fringes. So in this way, just remember that center white fringe, next red color, next blue color. Below also same, after white reddish color you will observe, next blue color will observe. That means overall concept here what you have to remember means, if you use white light in YDSC experiment, always center white bright fringe will form, and above, just above the white, reddish and bluish, or you can say that inner edge reddish, outer edge bluish, center white bright fringe.